If you want to block websites properly in Chrome browser, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest and most reliable method using a free extension called BlockSite. This is a great option if you want to stay focused, reduce distractions, or stop yourself from visiting certain sites during work, study, or screen time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install the extension, activate it, and block a website in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Before you begin, make sure you're connected to the internet so Chrome can access the web store and download the extension without any issues. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From there, hover over Extensions, then click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official extension marketplace, where you can install BlockSite safely. Now that the Chrome Web Store is open, go to the search bar and type BlockSite, then press Enter. In the results, you should see BlockSite, Block Websites, and Stay Focused. This is the extension you want, so click on it to open the full extension page. On this page, you can review the details and confirm that it's the correct tool before installing it. Next, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation window asking if you want to install the extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. After that, give Chrome a few seconds to finish downloading and installing it. Once the installation is complete, BlockSite is now ready to use in your browser. The next step is important because BlockSite works best when it knows exactly what site you want to block. So open the website you want to block in a new tab. This can be any site you want to restrict access to. Once the site loads, look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the puzzle piece icon to open the Extensions menu. A list of your installed extensions will appear. Find BlockSite in the list and click it. This will open the BlockSite pop-up window. If this is your first time using it, you may see a permissions prompt. If so, click I accept so the extension can manage website blocking properly. This permission is required for the extension to do its job, so make sure you approve it if you trust the tool and want to continue. Now that BlockSite is active, look for the option that says Block this site. Click it, and the current website will immediately be added to your blocked list. From this point on, when you try to visit that website in Chrome, BlockSite will prevent it from loading. That means you can block distracting websites, save time, and keep yourself focused with very little setup. If you ever want to block more websites, just repeat the same process on each site you want to add. And if you want to manage your blocked list later, you can go back into the extension settings and update it anytime. That makes it a flexible solution, whether you're blocking one site or several. So that's how to block websites properly in Chrome browser using BlockSite. It's fast, simple, and a really useful tool if you want more control over your browsing habits. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.